Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have Getwah, Ghetto Spaghetti, everybody. Getwah. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We appreciate it.
Everybody, we have homemade, easy spaghetti, ready spaghetti. You are so funny, brother. Well, I'm just saying, here's an easy spaghetti that we have created, everybody. You just brown some ground beef there. We buy an 80-20 meat, okay? And we let it go ahead and cook and, saute whatever with some onions and some garlic. And we also added some old school seasonings. And if you guys don't know what the old school seasonings is, it's the Lawry's seasoning sauce, Lawry's garlic sauce. We also have some onion powder and a little bit of garlic powder. And that's it. Okay, that's about flavor, everybody. Okay, you want to flavor up your meat. Having a great spaghetti is about the flavors throughout the meat, everybody, okay? Not playing with that, okay? Now we have a good old sauce. Now, you know we always talk about this. Classical, we're using our fire-roasted tomato and garlic. This is not a paid promotion. So, Classical, you guys need to hit us up in the DMs. You guys, y'all playing, okay? Now we also have some diced petite tomatoes as well. So we're going to add that into that. It's going to be a wonderful sauce. And you just boil your noodles, and then that is it. So I'm going to show you how it looks when everything's all incorporated together. Tomatoes, add that on in there. Stir it on up. Now you guys can drain your grease if you want to, but we did not have that much grease. It's only like 20%. But you can drain it if you want. It's up to you. But we like it just the way it is. Nice and Getwah, everybody. We're going to call it what? Getwah spaghetti. Grandmother. Alright, now we're going to add in the sauce. Alright, now we added in the sauce with the meat, everybody. Okay, we're going to go ahead and stir all that, incorporate it together. Look at all the nice flavors out. And our other secret is we're going to add a little bit of sugar. Okay, Classical is a good sauce. That's why we like it, because we can add sugar to where we need it and we don't need it. You can buy other sauces, like Prego and everything else that's already sweet. But we like to control our sugar content, okay, in this household right here. So we're going to add just a little bit of sugar. Alright, so we added just a little bit of water in the spaghetti sauce here. We want all the flavors throughout this sauce. We added some sugar. We added 4 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, you don't have to add that many if you don't like it. It's all good. You can add 1, you can add 2, but we add about 4 tablespoons of sugar in ours right here. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna pour this in there and incorporate it all together and let it simmer on low. Then it'll be ready, everybody. Okay, so here we go. Pour that sugar water on in there. All right, and I meant to say 4 teaspoons, everybody, not 4 tablespoons. Okay, so 4 teaspoons of sugar. Okay, so we add that in there with that water and that sauce, and it's going to be delicious. Okay, you can add in some bell peppers if you like. We usually do, but we're going to do this. This is what we have in the kitchen today, so this is how we do it. You can add that if you want, and that's it, everybody. Here's your spaghetti sauce. You're going to let it simmer on low. The longer you let it cook, the better the sauce is, everybody. It's just like when you cooking like original tomato sauce. You let it cook all day. It's an all-day process to make your own tomato sauce. Okay, so that's it. And you just get your noodles together. We'll have angel hair pasta. That's how we do it here at Mama Soul Kitchen. We don't get that fat spaghetti. We get angel hair pasta a little bit thinner. And that's it. And son-in-law, he likes his cauliflower noodles, so he's going to have his cauliflower noodles. But that's it, everybody. Very simple. And that took 10 minutes after you saute your hamburger meat. Look at that, everybody. Isn't that beautiful? Here we go. Alright, you guys, our sauce is almost ready, but grandson-in-law brought in some bell peppers. So we got red and some green diced stuff. We like ours a little bit chunky because that's how we like our spaghetti. We don't like it, pureed spaghetti, everybody. We like to have some chewing in there, okay? So we're going to go ahead and add those up in there. And it's going to be ready as soon as the vegetables kind of wilt a little bit, about 5 more minutes, and that's it. And this is a great Getwah potato salad. Getwah spaghetti sauce. Look at that. You guys. All right. I'm going to show you some pictures of what it looks like with noodles. But you guys, if you like what you see, make sure you guys follow us on our YouTube channel, everybody. lot more surprises coming soon. This is a nice meal to make, very simple to make for the family. Okay? And we also like to thank
Tanisha Boast for joining us on our YouTube channel and subscribing. Welcome to Granny's Yellow Table. And we also want to say there's room for more. If you like what you see, we also have books on Amazon.com on MOMMA Soul Kitchen. And we have desserts and also a regular cookbook. So see you guys soon.